One of the things I hear from people who kind of have started a client closet is I can't get people to wear it. I hear that all the time. I have some things, but I can't get people to wear it. Okay. And that is true because people don't know what you have. They don't know if they can trust it. They don't know if it's going to look good on them. And instead of showing up or being worried that it's not going to work, they just are like, you know what? It's okay. I'll just bring my own clothes. And so I had this client closet. I had spent, quite a bit of money on it, but I needed to photograph it. And that was one thing that I was like, it felt like a huge daunting task, but I knew that if I was going to get the most out of my investment, I had to take the time to do this. So I waited until January, the slow season, and I just spent a day in my studio and I just, I bought one of these little, mannequin things, and I just one at a time. I had a tripod set up one at a time. I photographed all the women's dresses. For the kids' clothes, I kind of put them in groups, and we're going to see that. And then I needed a way to showcase it because sending people to Instagram or sending people links, that just felt like I was spending a lot of time and that I didn't need to spend. So I'm always about working hard or smarter, not harder. And so although this next thing I'm about to show you did take a lot of time, this is the way that I educate my clients on how the client closet, what they can expect if they choose to do it. So I'm going to switch over here to sharing my screen, and I am going to make sure I'm on the right one. Okay, this is it right here. Share. Okay, so this is the client closet guide. When I send my welcome guide, I send them this. Okay, so here are the dresses, and you'll notice there are some commonalities to these dresses. I like empire waist. I like flowy. You could definitely call it boho style. I've gotten brands that I have realized fit women well. And you'll start to see here that there's some similarities. Okay, this was another way for me to photograph it in groups, and then just these little plus signs that people can see what they look like in the dresses.